Why did the shiny snake make everyone sneeze? Once upon a time, a village found a sparkling silver snake. It was so shiny that everyone wanted to touch it, but every time they did, they sneezed. The villagers thought it was magic. They tried to hide the snake, but it kept appearing. One day, a wise child said, "Maybe it's not magic, but dust." They cleaned the snake, and the sneezing stopped. The snake wasn't cursed, it was just dusty. Remember, sometimes things aren't what they seem. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.